Some news just coming in from the Apex Court of India. Supreme Court has refused to clear release of Udaipur files. The court says all parties should go before the Information and Broadcast Ministry Committee for hearing. For hearing scheduled today, court has said police commissioner of the area concerned must assess threat perception to producers, filmmakers and son of Kanhaiya Lal, the tailor, the victim in this case. Give security measures if required. I'm going straight across to Anisha Mathur, getting in more details. Anisha, tell us more about what the court has said, essentially telling the central government, that this really is on you. You have to take care that things don't go out of hand, isn't it?
Under the Cinematograph Act, and this is what the High Court had also said last week, it is the central government I&B Ministries committee that can review a clearing a certificate given by the CBFC. Now that is exactly what the Supreme Court has once again reiterated, that since the I&B Ministry Committee is set to hear this matter at 2:30 p.m. today, the Supreme Court is not inclined to interfere at this stage. That in fact it has also cautioned the filmmakers that if there is any decision to be taken, then it is for the committee to take a decision, because if whatever decision the committee takes, in any case either side will come back to the court to challenge that decision. So it is better that the court should not hear the matter at this stage, but the committee should. Secondly, a very important point being made by the court, that the allegation is that the film may irreversibly prejudice the ongoing trial against the accused in the Kanhaiya Lal murder case, and in that situation that the rights of the accused may be irrevocably prejudiced. And that is one more point that the court has raised, that when there is a clash between the freedom of expression of the filmmakers, the right of trade of the filmmakers under Article 19, but also the right to life, liberty and fair trial under Article 21 of the accused persons in the case, then the court will have to weigh both rights and will have to consider which right will be more important. Thirdly, what the court has said is that the filmmakers can always be compensated if the film release is delayed, but if the trial is prejudiced or something incorrect or something that can create prejudice in the country or affect the harmony of the country is released, then that cannot be compensated at all. So with all of that, the court has said please go to the committee that is scheduled to hear the matter at 2:30 today. The Supreme Court will now hear this matter next week. Back to you.
Anisha Mathur getting us those details. I'm going to thank you for the moment.